Hello friends, welcome to Wij Engineers. So today we are going to learn about heat input. So following topics to be covered in this video. What is heat input in welding? Importance of heat input in welding. Heat input units and formula. And how to calculate the heat input with examples. So first we will see what is heat input in welding. So heat input is the amount of electrical energy supplied by a welding arc to a workpiece to form a weld.
So let us see what is the importance of heat input in welding. The two primary reasons for controlling the heat input, specifically high heat input, are the detrimental effect on toughness or impact properties for most of the carbon steels and corrosion resistance for certain type of stainless steel. Heat input is important because it affects the weld cooling rate, which in turn affects the heat affected zone and microstructure of the welded material. A change in the microstructure of the welding material can have an immediate and direct effect on the quality and mechanical properties of the weld. So now we will see heat input units and formula. In general, heat input is expressed in kilojoule per inch or kilojoule per mm. Heat input measured in units of energy per unit length. The basic heat input calculation is based on voltage, amperage, and travel speed. So the formula to get the heat input is voltage into amperage into 60 divided by the travel speed. It will give you the heat input value in joule per inch or joule per mm. So to get the values in kilojoule, you have to divide the result by 1000. This 60 is here to convert the minutes into seconds. So this formula will give you the heat input value in joule per inch or joule per mm. So to get the values in kilojoule, we have to divide our result by 1000, or we have to multiply it on the bottom side by 1000. So we will get the values in kilojoule per inch or kilojoule per mm. Now we will calculate the heat input with example. A welder is welding at the speed of 25 inches per minute, a voltage of 25 volts and the current is 110 amps. Now we have the voltage 25 volts, current 110 amps, travel speed 25 inches per minute. So we have all the values and this is our formula. Now we will put the values into the formula. Voltage 25 into amps 110 into 60 divided by the travel speed 25. So it will give you the value 6600 joule per inch. Then we'll multiply the travel speed by 1000 and then we'll get the value 6.6 kilojoule per inch. So now we will see the heat input formula, which is given in ASME Boiler and Pressure Vessel section 9 QW 409.1a. So this is our section 9 2021 edition. It is given in the welding data, article 4. if we will go to variables, in which it is listed as QW409.1. So here it is, QW409.1, heat input, voltage into amperage into 60 divided by the travel speed. The heat input is referred as the arc energy under European system. The heat input is equal to thermal efficiency into arc energy. So these are the thermal efficiency of different welding processes. For TIG or GTW it is 0.6, for PW 0.6, for MIG-MAG or GMAW 0.8, for MCW 0.8, for MMAW or SMW 0.8 or SAW 1. So friends, if you like the video, please drop a comment. If you have any doubts, and please share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.